Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to fix music on Facebook story. So if you are seeing stories on Facebook and you want to play a story and you know that in that specific story the music is playing, but whenever you play that specific story, that music is not listened by you. So why it can happen is, so what is the solution is? So first of all, let me gonna tell you that you cannot hear the music on that specific story in which you are not friend with your specific story person. So if you are not friend with each other, then you guys might not get or listen that specific story music. So if you are still friend and you are unable to find these issues, then this might also be happen due to your connection of your Facebook account with Instagram account. So lots of time you have followed that specific person on Instagram and you want to play that specific story on Facebook. So in this way you guys can unable to find that specific story with music. So if you want to play that specific story with music, you have to just simply open up the Instagram and you guys can just simply listen that specific music on story. So if you are facing the music issue with your Facebook on story, so for that you have to just simply click on create a story from here, just tapping on this blue button create story, and here you have to simply select any of your photo in which you want to add a story. I'm just selecting that photo, and in order to add a music you have to simply hit that specific music button which is below to text button. Just simply hit this music button and simply select any of the song according to your needs. So you have to simply select any of the song. So after selecting any of the music on your Facebook, you guys can just simply change the duration of that specific music, or you guys can just also change the templates of that, or you guys can just simply hit to this none button in order to change the display of your song on a story. So I hope this method find you well. Do like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.